Howdy y'all, my name's Z66 or Zakag, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and welcome to my channel. I have quite a few different things I do on this channel, including car repair, which is a big chunk of it. I have a little bit of foreign and domestic that I do. Now on this channel we also have my initial reviews of devices and tools called premature evaluations. We have tool recovery where I get old tools and bring them back to life and clean them up. We have Anatomy of Failure, where I go over why a part failed and I explain some of the issues. I've also done some financial information, including how to finance a gun through Bud's Gun Shop. Might be something interesting for everybody on this channel. And along with repairing an odd assortment of domestic and foreign cars, we also do a bit of cooking on this channel. And I hope you enjoy it. Be sure to take a moment to like, comment, subscribe, and keep an eye out. You never know what might be popping up. It might be something new that you like. That's all I gotta say. You have a good one.
Hello everyone, it's Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and it is 9 degrees in northern Ohio, God help me. And it is cold, and I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter. Now, well, your cabin air filter on your Jeep Grand Cherokee in 4K. So, we are going to unhook this little lever, and I hope you appreciate the amount of auxiliary lighting that's over there. There's not one here. So we just take this little hook and let's see how. And so you just see pull out. Now we've got that loose. We're going to pull in, and it's kind of hard to do with one hand. So give me a second. I'm going to stop the video for just a moment. So I wanted to show you this, and I really couldn't do this one. This little cover goes right up here to get your, what is it? Your owner's manual, and you pull it off, it just clips in there. It's just play. Now there's your cabin air filter. And you can technically get in it, but like I said, we're going to give ourselves a little more space. So just give me a moment, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so I got this out of the way. So your glove box is going to sit like this. These little plastic hooks go right here. And I'm sorry I'm doing such a bad job trying to show you, but I've just got one hand to do this. And these little clips right here go right here. And you just kind of pull them to the side, and there's a little dangly thing for the glove box. You just pull these to the side. Now we've got all this room. So take that little plastic clip and just unhook it. There's one right here. And I'm going to stop the video because it's hard to do with one hand. I'll be right back. Alright, so this goes right there. That little plastic tab just lifts up right there, and I pushed it up with a knife and it popped right off. And this just kind of hooks in on this side. Now, here's your old cabin air filter. Whew. It's not terrible, not great. It's the original one from the factory. And while you're here, you want to make sure there's nothing in there like leaves, joints, cigarettes. Not a joke. I've been there, found that before. Also, make sure the squirrels and rat poop aren't there, because if you found that, you might have a bigger issue you need to address. So, you can go back with Mopar. I got a Bosch 6040C cabin air filter. I've used them before, pure later Fram. It's just, I wasn't paying that much for Mopar, to be honest with you. I know the expression Mopar or no car. But, so, and be careful, because they're not exactly the most solidest things in the world. And obviously make sure it's the right one that fits. Alright, and here we go. Like the old one we had. Airflow goes down. We just slide that in there. And I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna get. No. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna try. So this. Okay, might be able to do this one. I can just get. Okay, and this is where a knife or a flathead. And just see how that popped in. And before you start buttoning up, just want to make sure that's all in there, because it's not really cabinet air filter if it's not filtering anything. Now for this next part, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I have to set the camera down because, well, this part, yeah, I really can't do this one-handed. I apologize, but I will. But just basically, you're gonna put it here and kind of push these to the side to get them in, and then we're gonna get our little dangly rope. So I'll show you that in just a moment. Now, you don't have to take this all the way out. You can just take this top half and get in here. It's just a little room, but I want to show you a little more. I forgot to put the plastic back up here, and I'm gonna do that before I put this back, so I'm gonna take it off. But when you're putting this on, you just line this bottom half on right there. Then as you go to push these up, they'll just slide pop in. It's plastic, it flex. Just make sure you hold, it's a little easier to hold the little dangly thing here, just in case. But I'm gonna stop the video real quick, and I'm gonna take it right back out so I can put the plastic back up here. Now, I imagine you can put this little cover back in here, but I imagine it's a little harder to do. I could be wrong. Someone could say they've done it the other way and it's easier. I'm not a real mechanic, but basically goes in like that, and there you go. I didn't want to try to fight with that and sliding it past, so I apologize for that. But I'm gonna put the bottom back bar back on it. Alright, take two of putting this back together, because I kind of messed it up. So we've got this part where your owner's manual goes. We've got a little thingy right here that goes there. And now, I need to... rotate that back to it. Alright, now you can get this without holding it on when you're putting it on there. It's hard, but you can do it. It's a lot harder when your hands are going though. But then, it just closes like that. And you just make it, and you've got a new cabin air filter. Now, Z66, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really, really cold. I'm gonna go inside to warm up my fingers before I do low beam replacement video. You should watch that. It'd be really helpful. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me how much warmer you are than me. It is 9 degrees with feels like -10 with the wind chill in Ohio. Alright, and this is what it looks like when it's all back together. Well, I lied. Well everyone, this is Z66, your undertrade, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.